The Niagara Children's Water Festival is a unique opportunity for grade 4 students across Niagara to engage in hands-on activities that educate students about one of our most valuable resources, water.
The festival, it's such a feel-good event. The kids are happy because they're away from the classroom for the day. The volunteers are happy because they're away from the office for the day. And the teachers are happy because they've had the whole day planned for them.
Students take part in a variety of activity centers throughout the day on subjects such as watersheds, hydroelectricity, water and wastewater treatment, water recreation safety, fishing, fire prevention, and Indigenous perspectives, to name a few.
The reminders that we have at home to use less water, kids are talking about how they're doing that. I've had students even say that they're suggesting their family use the cold cycle on washing machines, which I think is incredible. So any information they share, and they'll be encouraged to actually share that at home.
The goal of the festival is to develop our future decision makers by empowering children to initiate behavior change within their homes, schools, and communities.
I work for Ontario Power Generation, and we are founding partners of the Niagara Children's Water Festival. Being part of this festival allows us the opportunity to share our positive messaging about using water as a clean, renewable source for hydroelectric generation.
The Niagara Children's Water Festival is a collaborative event held in partnership between Niagara Region, Brock University, Niagara Peninsula Conservation Authority, Ontario Power Generation, and City of St. Catharines.